Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'll be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications on so you guys be notified every time I upload a new video. And let's get started. The first thing I'm going to use is a moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I'm using is by Avenue. After you're done doing that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and use a brush to brush your eyebrows. I'll be using this Dip Brow by Anastasia, and it's the color medium brown, and I'll be using this brush to line up my eyebrows first, and then you just want to fill them in. And then you want to go ahead and use this brush to get rid of the line in front of your eyebrows. And then you want to use a concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is by Tarte, and I'm using this flat brush to be applying the concealer under my eyebrows and above my eyebrows. And I'll be using this beauty blender to blend out all the concealer out. And I'll be using this eyebrow gel by NYX, and I'll be applying that on my eyebrows. And then you want to go ahead and apply some tape. And now I'm going to get into eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is by James Charles, and I'll be using this light brown color to my crease using this brush. The next color that I'm going to be using is this yellow shade here, and I'm going to be applying that to the crease. The next color that I'm going to be using is this burgundy color shade, and I'm using this brush to dip into the crease. And now I'm going to go ahead and use some concealer and apply it to the lid using this flat brush. And I'm going to go ahead and use this flat brush to blend the concealer, and I'm going to use this Jack & Hill palette and use this gold shimmer shade and apply that to the lid using that brush. And then you want to go ahead and use the same colors using this thin brush and apply that under your eyes. And then you just want to go ahead and take off the tape. And then you want to go ahead and use a foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is by Benefit, and is the color AF01. And then you want to go ahead and use a beauty blender to blend out the foundation. And then you want to go ahead and apply some concealer under your eyes and your chin and your forehead. And then you want to blend it with a beauty blender. And And then you want to go ahead and use a setting powder, and the setting powder that I'm using is by Airspun, and you just want to pat it, and then you want to go ahead and use a beauty blender and just apply where you have all the concealer. And now you want to go ahead and apply some bronzer, and the bronzer that I'm using is by Wet n Wild. And now you want to go ahead and use a beauty blender to apply the powder under your bronzer. And then you want to use this brush to blend out all the powder. And then you want to go ahead and use a beauty blender to blend out the bronzer. And then you want to use a blush, and the blush that I'm using is by Wet n Wild, and I'm using this brush to apply on my cheekbones. And then you want to go ahead and add some highlight, and the highlight that I'm using is by Revolution, and I'm using this gold highlight to apply that on my face. And then I added some lashes, and this is how my makeup looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, I already put on my lashes on, and I did my hair, and this is how my makeup looks like. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn post notifications on so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. And the post notification shout out goes to my best friend Hope. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. I honestly appreciate all the love and support that you give me, and I honestly love you so much. And to get a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe, turn post notifications on, and comment when done. So if you guys really like this video and you guys want to know how I did this hairstyle, please comment down below so I can do a hair tutorial on this look. So stay tuned for more videos. If you guys enjoy, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and comment when done. And I'll see you guys in the next video.